only letter she knows.
All right, but at least I know everything there is to know about it.
Let's test that theory, shall we? Well, the history is a good place to start. You see, 5,000 years ago, the Egyptians started representing this great letter with
a twisted hank of rope. Weird, huh? Doesn't even look like an H.
That's because they were probably as daft as you are.
Well, it's so are the Semites, because they basically kept the same shape, only named it chess 1,500 years later.
You'd think someone would have had some brains by then, but it took another 500 years for the Phoenicians to come up with this, with the 3 crossbars. The Greeks took it, added it to our alphabet,
and named it Eta. They named it Eta.
Indeed.
But someone finally gave it its easy shape. The Mormons?
Romans!
Oh. Right, the Romans. Those wonderful people made it look like this.
You see, now it has 2 vertical lines and 1 horizontal one connecting the 2.
A lot easier for me to write this way.
I wonder why.
But the history isn't all there is to know about it. You're right!
For one, you have to know how to use and pronounce it.
Oh, can I use this one, please? Please, can I do it, please?
Well,
thank you. Okay. So, you have to shake your mouth to make the sound, like this, like so the sound comes out.
What she means to say is you simply form your mouth to the letter following it, then let out a slight impulse of breath, like so. Hat.
And it's the 8th letter of the alphabet.
Figured that out on your own, did you? This consonant is the 9th most frequently used letter in English printed material. And to prove it, let me tell you some words that begin, end, and have the letter H in them.
Yes, like hair, hit, hurt, ahead, behind,
British,
Dutch.
And those are only a few of the examples we could give you. However, there are several different ways to express the letter H.
One way is for blind people.
It's called Braille. And how it works is that there are 3 raised bumps in the form of a right angle.
And there's also Morse code, which goes like this. Tap, 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 tap. 4 taps for H.
My personal favorite is sign language, like this.
And my favorite is C4. It's used for people when they're far away from each other.
There's also something called native phonetic, which is used by people speaking into radio. H is represented by the word hotel.
And this is International Flag Code. I coloured it myself. It's used for when they give messages to other ships. Well, we told you basically everything we know about it.
So, from its history to its pronunciation. And we've also covered some of the words containing H's, plus the different alphabet forms. And now I hope you're not as confused as some people. But to sum it all up, we have a little poem for you.
Oh, yes! I wrote this for myself. Oh! H is for hair, and H is for hand.
H is for heels on which we stand.
H is for houses,